So this PC was scammed, and this hacker or scammer installed unattended remote access. So whenever customer was using this computer, this hacker or scammer get notified and they can remote in. I'm going to show you example right now, and so let's see. I'm going to connect the Ethernet and let's watch. I'm going to wait for a couple seconds, and in the meantime I'm going to open the PowerShell so I can kill it. It's too late for people they are hacking, so I'm not sure they will be available, but I'm going to uh, that, and there is another one, this one, Supreme Remote Desktop. This and this, they are using it. So let's see which service they are going to use now. Supremo right there. See, he's using this. This is what they are using, Supremo. So they have a two connection going, a Screen Connect and Supremo. So I'm going to kill the Screen Connect and let's see. So this guy has an unattended access. want to see. This is the word they are using. And you can't find this in control panel. So it's not PREMO. See, it's not here. So what is this Supremo? Right there. Okay, and connect wise, connect. Okay, connect wise is gone. Okay, so I have Supremo right there. Properties. Where can I find this Supremo installed? Okay, so I need to go from file right there. Supremo 86. Supremo. Yeah, that's what it is. So I am going to wait for him to connect. I'm going to kill it.